Hi, I'm Martin Cox. I'm a partner at Bade Stageberg Cox Architecture here in New York. And today I'm going to show you one of our favorite projects that we just completed, which is an apartment for a family of 4 in the heart of Manhattan. This apartment is special because of its very unusual situation in the city. Because we're on the corner of Broadway, which cuts at an angle through the grid of Manhattan, the apartment is not rectangular like a typical New York City apartment. Our design took advantage of these unusual angles to create a sense of flow and movement that maximizes the impact of the views and the light. We designed this apartment using just 2 major materials: painted white plaster for walls and ceilings, and oiled white oak for floors and cabinets. We carefully shaped the rooms to actually guide the flow through the apartment. For example, here in the entry foyer, there's a hint of the view and the spaces beyond, but nothing is fully revealed. The living room, dining room, and kitchen are all open to each other, so it was important that they had their own identity while still communicating with each other. For the living room, we chose furniture to be comfortable and visually interesting. This sofa, designed by Patricia Urquiola, has a sculptural form while the 2 chairs swivel. For the palette, we chose cool blues which complement the oak floors and bring in the color of the sky, especially on a beautiful clear day like today. We brought in orange and amber in the glass side tables, the pillows, and even the candlesticks. And we rounded things off, pun intended, with a vibrant Alexander Calder print from the 1970s. The kitchen has 2 main elements: a floor-to-ceiling wooden wall, which contains storage and appliances, and a sculptural island finished in bleu de Savoie marble with rounded corners. The column at the center of the island contains a plumbing riser, which wasn't going anywhere. So we decided to make a feature out of it and designing it to look like it flows out of the ceiling. We custom designed this fixture over the kitchen island, and I think it looks kind of like a halo, which makes this a heavenly place to make dinner. Just off the kitchen, we thought that this nook would be the perfect place for the dining area. After all, it's always nice to dine with river views. The fixture over the table is a glowing tube of cast glass which does not distract from the view. But if you stand right here, you'll realize that it points directly down Broadway. The family room is located right off the main entertaining areas and served double duty as a guest bedroom. But the main intention of this room is a cozy space where the family can get together, play games, and watch movies. The primary suite has 4 main rooms: the bedroom, the bathroom, a study, and a dressing room. And we designed each of them to foster relaxation and calm. In all of our projects, we always try to find ways to bring natural light into every space, even if the space, like this bathroom, has no windows, which is often the case in New York. Here, to solve that issue, we introduced 2 sheets of sandblasted glass, which bring the natural light from the western exposures of the study into the bathroom. Our design for this apartment was inspired by its iconic location. We embraced the unique shape of the space as an opportunity to create a rich and rewarding environment for daily living. Thank you so much for coming.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.